As a business owner, you are already aware that high quality leads are literally lifeline of your business. But what do you do if you do not have a great advertisement budget, or if you're not a marketing wizard, or if you do not have a great social media following? How do you find your high quality leads every single month after month? Well, good news, I have an answer for that. And even better news, you do not have to pull out your wallet to get that answer, to implement that answer for your business. Hi, my name is Rupa Patil. I'm a certified mastermind professional. I'm also an international business mentor, trainer, and speaker. And I am hosting, I'm super excited because I'm hosting this 100% free 7-day lead generation workshop, where I will not only give you the blueprint, but you and I together on the 7 days will do the exact step-by-step process to find, to retain, and to convert your leads, at least 100 high quality leads every single month, so that you can focus on growing your business income and creating more impact as a true heart-centered leader. Even if you do not have an advertisement budget, even if you do not have a social media following, even if you have just launched your business and nobody knows you or your business much, this workshop is for you. All you need to do is register on the link given with this workshop, and remember that this workshop will be conducted inside my private Facebook group. So once you register, look out for the Facebook group, look out for a special thank you gift, which I'm not going to tell you what that gift is all about, but once you register for free. Once you register, look out and join that Facebook group, because that is where I will see you for the 7 days, so that you can create a foolproof system for your business to find, retain, and convert at least 100 high quality prospects every single month, and create more income and create more impact as a true heart-centered leader. So I will see you on the inside.